Okay, tonight we're going to do some cipher groups. These are 5-letter groups. They'll have either letters or numbers. And from what I'm going to send, I think there's only a few that are numbers, but they'll be all numbers. There won't be any of them mixed up. But just to read the first line here, and it pretty much says it all. Cipher groups make better practice material than plain English because the student can't foresee the next letter. The groups below were taken from the operator's manual, signal corps, and so on. Object here is to write these down. I'm going to go ahead and send them at the speed that I'm going to send them. But remember that you can go up into the top of the screen, I think it is, and there's the gear icon. If you click on it, then you can adjust the speed for whatever you want it to be. It'll slow down the video and the audio both, and so you can make it faster or slower, whichever you desire, to make it easier for you to write this copy down. So I'll start with a few V's, and then I'm going to do I guess what's this? This is 10 of these groups, which will be I guess 40 cipher groups. So that'll be enough that'll be quite an exercise right there if we get 40. So here goes. Okay, that concludes that, and I think I sent the one group I started in, I made a mistake and I started over. And in another one, I think I sent a 5 instead of an H, and then there might have been another little error in there somewhere. But that's okay. We're not going to let perfection get in the way of progress here, as the saying goes. So remember that you can slow these down, write them. Write them down. If you, I don't think you're going to have a problem memorizing them anytime soon. But if you do, just start the video a little bit further and just let it run from a different location, because you might start to remember the first group if you're practicing very much. And there's plenty of speed range. So anyway, have fun with it, and we'll see you on the next practice session. I'm thinking of some stuff right now. So thank you.